More on MS Word 2010. Spelling and Grammar. The spelling and grammar feature of MS Word marks your errors in spellings and grammar of the selected language while typing. Before you learn how this feature works, you need to understand two basic things: how to set language and what are the types of errors marked by MS Word. Setting language. To set language means to tell MS Word that the words and grammar are to be checked according to a dictionary of the language you are referring to. To set language in MS Word, follow the steps shown. Click on the Review tab. Click on Language to open the language drop-down list. Click on Set Proofing Language to open the language dialog box. Click and select English US. By default, MS Word uses English US. Click on OK. Smart tip: you can open the language dialog box by also clicking on the language section, English US, on the status bar of an MS Word document. Types of errors marked by MS Word. MS Word underlines the different types of errors in different colors as shown. The red wavy line shows spelling errors. The correct spelling is kitchen. The green wavy line shows a grammatical mistake. In this example, were should be used instead of was. The blue wavy line shows words are correct in spelling, but not meaningful in the sentence. It is called a contextual error. In this example, flow should be used instead of flour. Checking spelling and grammar. Let us now learn how to check spelling and grammar in a document. It can be done in two ways. You can allow MS Word to mark errors automatically when you type, or you can run a spelling and grammar check after completing the typing of the text. Automatic spelling and grammar checking. By default, MS Word automatically checks a document for spelling and grammar errors. Therefore, you may not need to run a separate spelling and grammar check. These errors are highlighted by colored wavy lines, as discussed earlier. However, if the automatic spelling and grammar checking settings have been turned off, follow the steps shown to allow MS Word to automatically mark spelling and grammar errors. Click on the File tab. Click on Options to open Word Options dialog box. Click on the Proofing tab. Checking the Check Spelling as you type option will mark spelling errors automatically while you type. Checking the Use Contextual Spelling option will mark the contextual errors. Checking the Check Grammar with Spelling option will mark both spelling and grammatical errors automatically. Checking the Mark Grammar Errors as you type option will automatically mark the grammatical errors when you type. Click on OK. Correcting errors. To correct the errors, right-click on the marked word to look for various options available and select the correct one. The suggestions displayed in the pop-up menu on the right click of the errors are indicated. Click on the correct spelling or phrase. The corrected word or phrase will appear in the document. If no change in spellings is required, click on Ignore. And if no grammar errors is required, click on Ignore once. Smart tip: press the F7 key to check spelling and grammar. Running a spelling and grammar check. To check spelling and grammar, after completing the text, follow the steps shown. Click on the Review tab. In the Proofing group, click on Spelling and Grammar to open the Spelling and Grammar dialog box. The errors will be marked in colors as explained earlier. The suggestions to correct errors are listed. Choose a suggestion and click on Change to correct the errors. Click on Ignore Once to skip the word without changing it. Click on Ignore All to skip the word without changing it, and also to skip all other instances of this word in the document. When all errors have been considered, MS Word will display a dialog box as shown to inform that the spelling and grammar check has been completed. Click on OK to continue. Adding new words to the MS Word dictionary. Generally, proper nouns like your name are not present in MS Word's dictionary. So, MS Word will mark your name as a spelling error in the document. To avoid this problem, you can add your name to the dictionary. To do so, click on the Add to Dictionary button in the Spelling and Grammar dialog box. This will add the word to the dictionary and will not be marked as a spelling error on that computer only. You can also add such a word by right-clicking on it and selecting the Add to Dictionary option from the list. Thesaurus. You all are familiar with synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms are different words having the same meaning. Antonyms are the words with the opposite meaning. Do you know a simple word like good has many synonyms such as decent, helpful, safe, useful, well-mannered, polite, obedient, and first class. The antonyms of good are bad, naughty, etc. It is difficult to remember all the synonyms and antonyms of a word. The Thesaurus feature gives a list of all the synonyms and antonyms of a selected word. To use the Thesaurus feature of MS Word, follow the steps shown. Select a word, for example, good. Click on the Review tab. Click on Thesaurus. This will open the Research Task pane on the right side of the MS Word window. This list shows the synonyms and antonyms of the word good. Hover your mouse on the word you want to select. Click on this arrow to open a drop-down list. Click Insert to replace the old word with the new word. The new word, synonym or antonym, will replace the old word without changing any other word in the document. The examples above show the original text and the use of Thesaurus. Fact box. Press the Alt key and click on the word to find its synonyms. Results appear in the Research Task pane.